Guys, even though my feeling is not well, I'm going to work. Someone's calling me part-time, so I have to do even my. So here, huh? Yes, nice rain. Always rain. So, it's raining. What to do? Nagkuhan diri mga guys, mga kapobs. Pero nikulo ang akong gits katugnaw. So bugdaw jud kaayo pakipunta mo sa uwan ha. Karon pa ni nag-uwan ang UAE. Sikat-sikat. Wala tayo kagakos pa. What's ako pakipunta mo sa UAE. UAE is raining. Shoot! Tingnan mo. Nag-uwan diri. Tugnaw kay diri ba yan natay war batay kagak. Watay kagakus. Agoy. Tingnan niyo akong kamutil. Nangitong sa katignaw dahil. Mukulo ang imong kagiti ba? Kay ngano? Uwan unya. Tugnaw pa panahon sabot. Pero dili kayo pero hindi nikulo sa patino dapat dalang ko ng sandal napasa na akong sandal ibunyagan akong sandal first time ko napasa hindi tayo magawa ari magpagi tayo sa pikas. Pero tapos hindi ko wala na may lay-agianan wala may lay-agianan diri na lumagi hindi na mo agianan jud pero gandaan lang kay mura sa kog nas bukid sige maalala kong bukid na no kayo do Diyos ko Lord, Panginoon sa Kisima Lord, help us ha? Basta ng akong baon nabi na sakyanan mula bang sa ta tanaw sa itong gabay sakyanan kay maligsan ta yung sakyanan dito nag-uwan lagi. Pero kabalo mo mga lalab kung mag-uwan diri kaya mga Arabo malipay inig-uwan malipay mga Arabo basta mag-uwan kay kuwan man na blazing blazing daw ingon sila tanaw na to no, I video. Kudak kita baliksan tani. Look ni kar. Nag-enjoy din ko diri sa uwan. Wow. Taxi, can you wait me taxi hoy? Ya ako mag-taxi na lang ako. Wala may. Lifeline Hospital. My friend. Okay, I close. It's too raining, no? Yeah, and outside. Because it's raining, no? Wala, usuga mo dagan yun. You go to left, my friend. Signal. Don't go straight because there is a signal again. I am become far. Huh? Far? Where you wanna go? Yeah, Dubai. I was in Dubai before. Are you from where? Huh? Luzon? Luzon? In the Philippines, Luzon? Yes, I am. Are you Pakistan, right? You in Pakistan, right?
You're Pakistani, I'm Filipino.
You got a chance? Guess me where I from. No, I am from Visayas. Yeah. What really is raining? No, the raining is not stop. Rain, rain, go away. Yeah, it's so raining. Me? I am Bisaya. See, why do you know? Why do you know this time three part? Do you have experience there? I am from Visayas. So it means you have girlfriend there, huh? Why do you know that? Philippines, Visayas, Mindanao, Cebu. I believe that if guy knows, huh? Pampanga, yes, Pampanga. First time this reading. First time, right? This year. Where? No, this is New Year. It's raining. Did you remember it? Until New Year? But where I am, I think. Why do you know me? I'm sleeping. Where are you enjoying? I'm sleeping alone. No, I'm not. I just go in the car with the party with my friend. It was not. I know this. Did you see it in the living? Ulan pa rin, di nawawala ang ulan. Ano ba yun? My friend, the 170 is going already. 170 bus is going already. 170 bus. You don't know? They'll go already, right? Sa po ito ba itawahan at pangutanon mo mag kingkoy po. Aray ko dribing palikuti. My friend, can I have 1 tea glass? Glass 1 tea? Chai Halid. No, I'm not going Carlip. No, my friend. I'm going by bus. Thank you. I like, but expensive. No, I have no money a lot. Huh? How much? In Wayo. Yeah, aday. Yes, in Wayog. Ha? 3,000? 3,000, what is that? My friend, give me please tea. Palit po kong tea, very good. Okay, mga gwapo dito. Kaon. Lakas pa ng hangin dito. Umuwi na ako guys sa amin. Kahit pagod, kahit even I'm tired, work. Because someone's calling me. You know guys, I'm so tired. Because I have cough. My cough is not very, is very strong. So, pauwi na ko guys. Morning ako magdaanan. Daanan diri. I'm die soon. Don't worry. I will die soon. Naglalakad ako sa labas. Ito ang life ng OFW. Hindi ako makasyadong makasalita dahil sa ano ko, tika. Yan. Okay guys, dili na lang kukutob ha niya. Kaya salamat sa inyong support. Feeling well, but I do that. I'm strong woman. Even my body is